Hey guys, welcome back to German Code 24. Today we have a video on a special oil which is my favorite, and that is squalane oil. Squalene is a natural substance in human body, and we all love baby skin, right? Their skin has a substance called squalene while birth, and squalene, which is a built-in moisture which provides a waterproof effect, a hydrating coating to protect and also nourish a baby skin. As we age, the production of squalene decreases. Squalene is an unstable form, and its hydrogenated form is called squalane. So squalene is something which is an ultra hydrating molecule and is used in hydrogenated form in cosmetics. So the hydrogenated form is squalane. It is also found in animals and plants. Initially, it was derived from shark liver in 20th century, but these days most of the squalane used in cosmetics are derived from olive. In short, plant-derived squalane is cruelty-free. Squalane is non-comedogenic oil. Its comedogenic rating is 0 to 1, so it is rare likely to clog the pores. This is 100% saturated oil. Dermame is the first company to introduce squalane oil in India. This is called Flora Squalene. There are two varieties of squalane, which is Flora and Fauna. Flora is something which is derived from plant sources. For example, squalane derived from olive, as I told earlier. Fauna is derived from marine sources, which is from shark liver. So this one is Flora category, which I like, which is cruelty free. It is 100% pure and the price is 950 rupees for 30 ml of the product. I know it's really pricey, but you are going to use just 2 or 3 drops, so this will last you for many months. The direction which is written on the product is, the product claims visible reduction of wrinkles. Now we'll see how to use this product as per mentioned in this. First, you need to do face washing. Use a toner. I skip this step because I don't use any toner. Then take this oil 1 to 2 drops and apply on the face with a circular massage. I personally believe that there is no specific rule. You can use in your own way. Use directly after washing and pat dry your skin, and or you can also use for double cleansing method. You can also mix it with your regular foundation and it will give a nice glide to your makeup. It is very light in consistency. It gets absorbed very quickly and also gives a sheer finish after applied, and that too without making my skin oily. Note that I have an extremely oily and sensitive skin. It gives a nice shine to the skin, making it soft and smooth. It gives hydration which is needed for a longer time. I don't feel it heavy at all on my skin. It is also not irritating, and I haven't felt any breakout because of this product. This is non-greasy oil which I love so much. Squalane pulls moisture from air and also traps it into the skin for a longer time. So help with protecting from UV rays and prevent dark spots and premature aging also. It may even fade pigmentation over time, even though it hasn't quite gained the recognition that more popular oils have, but it deserves it. So even if you have a ton of beauty oils to try, squalane is the one which has the structure of our natural skin sebum. This is indeed the best moisturizer for people who are trying to find a good moisturizer, and also for oily skin who have excess sebum production and whoever can't use any other creams or moisturizers on their skin. This can be a natural moisturizer. It is best for sensitive skin also. It goes well with all the skin types. And as I have discussed earlier, oils are necessary to incorporate into our skincare, especially because of the anti-aging benefits oils have, and we also load up a lot of chemicals and chemical based products, I mean harsh chemicals, on our skin. So using some natural oils can be a good addition to your skincare. This product is the first one which made me believe that oils can be great on my oily skin. Many people will be afraid to use any new oils on their skin because I know you will be thinking oils may cause breakout, and it is not true. Not all oils cause breakouts. So as it claims, it provides the lot of hydration to your skin and makes it smoother and softer. I hope this review helped you in some way, and if you are someone who is thinking of incorporating any facial oils into your skin, this one is a good to go product. According to my experience, this is best oil I would use on my skin. And I hope you like this video. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.